Good morning. I just wanted to film a quick little follow-up to part 7, which I just uploaded, talking about the STM32 processor and the problem I had with not being able to connect the USB port to it last night. That problem was caused by the USB code that gets flashed into the STM32 that allows it to function as a USB device. And I haven't gone into a lot of discussion about talking about how I set up the STM32, which we also call the blue pill, how that's set up and how it works and what resources I've used to be able to get that all working. So I'm going to do a very quick little video and just point out a couple of resources that I use that has allowed me to figure out how to make this STM32 work in the Arduino environment and function almost exactly like an Arduino. With that, I'm going to cut to a screen capture and show you a couple of the resources, and then I'll put links to those resources down in the bottom of the video, so if you're interested in doing that. Other people have done a much better job than I can in documenting this stuff, and so I will just point you to those guys, and if you want to do something like this, you definitely need to take a look at these resources. So with that, I'll cut to the screen capture and show you what I'm talking about. I have my screen recorder up and running, and the two resources that I want to tell you guys about are, first, the STM32 Arduino website. It's a bulletin board type chat roomy kind of area where you can get information about the STM32 blue pill, those kind of things, and it is hosted by Roger Clark and others, and Roger is one of the people that wrote most of the code that makes an STM32 act and function under the Arduino IDE, including the USB loader that makes it show up as a USB device and be able to download it through the USB. So last night when I had my problem, that downloader somehow got corrupted. I think it might have been because I had plugged in the USB power without disconnecting the pinball power first. That's a no-no, and it may have caused it. I'm not sure. All I know is that I reflashed the download section and everything worked fine. But if you are interested in these STM32 type processors, this is definitely a website for you to go to if you want to run it under the Arduino IDE. This is the place to go. You can ask questions, you can read about other people's problems and see what they did to solve them. It's just a great resource. And I will put links to this and the other YouTube video that I'm about to talk about in my description down below, so you can link to them. So the second resource is a YouTube video, and it is the complete setup and run guide for the STM32 F103 C8T6 or similar. And it is by Ride Life with Grace, a small website, only a few subscribers and a few likes, but it is an awesome resource. It takes you through everything you need to know in order to set up an STM32 style processor under the Arduino IDE. And I'll play just a little bit of it from the beginning here. There is no talking in this video. It's all done by typing. So it's all really clear, big letters, easy to read, simplified but followable, so that you can see where to go to get the stuff and how to download it, how to install it, how to set up the drivers, how to set up the libraries, how to load the stuff to flash your system, how to modify the hardware to make it work on USB. Everything is in this one site in one place. It's awesome. And I will put a link down below. I highly recommend you check it out if you're interested in doing this kind of stuff. So that's all I have. Quick and easy. Follow the links, look at the information, watch this complete guide setup video, and you'll know everything I know. That's not much, but anyway, you guys have a great day. Thanks a lot.